Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're here, you're probably looking to update your email on Yelp, maybe because you've switched to a new address or just need to fix a mistake. Don't worry, it's a straightforward process, and I'll walk you through it step by step for 2025. Yelp has made some updates to their interface, so let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Yelp account. Open the Yelp app or website and enter your current credentials. Once you're in, head to your profile. You can do this by clicking on your profile picture in the top right corner. That's usually the easiest way. Next, look for the Account Settings or Edit Profile option. In 2025, Yelp has streamlined this, so it should be front and center. Scroll down until you find the section for your contact information, specifically where your email is listed. That's where the magic happens. Now, click on the email field to edit it. Type in your new email address carefully to avoid any typos. Trust me, double-checking here saves time later. Yelp might prompt you to verify your identity, so if it asks for your password or a confirmation code, go ahead and do that. After you've entered the new email, hit the Save or Update button. Yelp will send a verification email to your new address, so keep an eye on your inbox. Once you click the verification link, your email will be updated successfully. One quick tip. If you run into any issues, like an error message, make sure your new email isn't already associated with another Yelp account. Also, if you're using the mobile app, the steps are pretty much the same, but the layout might be a bit different depending on your device. And there you have it. That's how you change your email on Yelp in 2025. It only takes a few minutes and keeps your account up to date. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.